Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) interim self-imposed Secretary General Senzo Chabangu is struck again, firing a party leader from their top post in parliament as infights within the Watchman newly-led faction escalate. Sadapita mashuka tuna kuti vatengesi vakambosiya Nelson Chamisa panguva inwe vakuzhamba after Senzo Chabangu aiwa avarasisa. Sadapita mashuka mudanyura panapa ndolipa subscribe like on the bell icon. Timida pahendo panapa the news days mabonda nyura chiti. Chikanga legislator Lineti Karinyikori was fired as the leader of a house in parliament, replaced by Sunningdale legislator Maureen Kademaunga. Karinyikori was early this year announced as president of the CCC party on a rotational basis with Mumbai. She, however, had not yet assumed that position since then. Chabangu's latest move follows a series of recalls targeting CCC legislators and councillors perceived to be loyal to former CCC leader Nelson Chamisa. Chamisa dumped the CCC political outfit formed in January 2022 in January this year, citing alleged infiltration by the ruling party ZANU-PF after turmoil within the CCC due to the recalls members of parliament and councillors by Senzo Chabangu. Ndomashuka tuna kuti aiwa vakomana na Karinyikori panguva ino ivoregreta vachiona vachirohwa aiwa kufaiwa cheko kunyazwa nzvisadzidza tuna kuti kunyange zvake akanga apiwa presidential position on rotational basis akanga asati aiwa atena that position yekutungamira the Citizen Coalition for Change makuteni yakanga isati asvika obva asangana nezvakadai. Tinoona kuti vakomana na Karinyikori ndo vanhu vakanga vari influential vari close kuna advocate Nelson Chamisa, but vakangoona mari chete aiwa vakusvika chabuda kuti these guys they are not here for change but they are just after money. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutodei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.